We've got Brother Irfan with us who has done our recruitment program, and I wanted to give you guys a little review of how he's got on, how he's done, how the last 3 months have gone for him because he started 3 months ago, but I'll let you carry on.
Thank you, Aki. So yeah, my name is Irfan. I set up my own recruitment agency called Link Experts, focusing on the Microsoft Tech domain. I think what's been really great about the course is, for me personally, is understanding how to set up a business, the operation aspects, some of the challenges I'm going to be facing. I actually worked within the recruitment space myself, so I learned some of the foundations, but the great thing about the course was some of the bits about operating the business isn't really covered within the job. They don't teach you that, and that's where the course for me made the biggest difference. I think what's been really good is with the course you get access to the community, so sometimes doing your own thing can feel quite lonely, but you've got brothers out there who are doing the same thing, going through the same challenges, and at least with the course you've got someone to sort of bounce ideas with, because with recruitment you need to keep learning. Learning never stops, even 5 years, 6 years down the line. If someone tells you they've stopped learning, like with only 3, 4, 5 years experience, but they're not billing £1 million a year, they're probably, just being a bit arrogant in that sense. So I think learning is really important, and the course definitely gives you that. Within my first 3 months, I'm looking at invoicing over 20 grand. So alhamdulillah, that's been really good. Again, it is difficult, you have to put the graft in, but the course gives you all the tools you need to make a success. And the question is, are you willing to put the work in? And if you are, you can make a success.